everybody, it's just a dream away. We're at the park today. Emma wanted to vlog it. Emma is swinging. It's a simple Friday adventure, but we're gonna have fun at the park. Ooh. And what are we gonna have today? What are we gonna do for lunch? A picnic. It's Emma's first picnic, so we're gonna have fun. Join us. Emma, who are you? And who is Daddy? Yeah, they're just swinging away, Teddy Barrow and Henry. Usually when we play on the swings at our park, somebody ends up being a country bear. And there is nothing wrong with that. Got off the swings. Ready to play on the playground. Hi, Emma. Opted for the safe stairs instead of any of the actual challenges. Good job. After you go down a slide. Oh yeah, fun bridge. Oh, I'm not loud, I'm too big. It's a fun bridge. Go across it real fast. Whoa, good job. Which slide do you want to do? The big whirly slide? Good job. Okay, I'll get you. I'll catch you on the bottom. No, it's not. It's fun. I'll go down the bottom to catch you. Ready? It's not hot at all. It's covered.
It's inside.
It's an inside slide so it doesn't get hot.
Come on. Go, go, go.
Why not? It's covered. It's like the slide at Chick-fil-A, Emma.
You'll like it.
And the fear of slides has returned. Hey, Boo. Hey, girl. Not feeling it? Okay. Okay, bye. Emma, what's in the cooler?
My baby.
What? Yeah, she put her baby in the cooler. Here you go. Baby gets to come to the picnic. Oh my goodness, you are so funny. So here we are, having a nice little picnic. Emma, what are you eating?
Yogurt.
Yeah? And some crackers? She likes roasted garlic Triscuits. She won't eat anything, but she likes garlic Triscuits. I mean, I like them too, but she's 2 and super picky. It's so weird. What are we eating, Dan?
Food.
Yep.
No, we're eating peanut butter and jelly and chips, I think.
Yep. Applesauce and granola bars, keeping
That
it
too.
simple.
That too.
Yep. Emma's got banana if she feels like it. And some chocolatey milk. So, alright.
Okay, Daddy, can you turn that around?
Turn what around?
Dad.
Yeah, the umbrella's a little bit janky. Oh well, hey.
A little bit.
That's okay.
A little bit.
We'll see if Emma likes to eat in the great outdoors, if this will be a hit or not. Her first picnic. Thanks for joining us for
If
it.
she likes to eat outdoors, we'll have to bring her outside for every meal.
If it means she'll actually eat,
Yeah, that's what I mean.
yeah, then I would be not opposed. Actually, I would be super opposed. but we'll see. Alright, let's enjoy our lunch and then see what adventures ensue. Ah! Herman!
Where is it?
By your belly.
Stop.
Stop.
What was that, Emma?
Herman.
What are Hermans?
Fly.
Yeah. All flies are named Herman, according to Emma. I named one fly Herman once, and now they're synonymous, and it's super cute. Did Herman go away?
Yeah, Herman flied away.
Good. Get away from our picnic, Herman. What are you doing? What did you do? You made it windy?
Make it stop.
What do you do to make it stop?
What's that?
Oh, you use the hand crank on the umbrella. And that's how you make it windy? Make it stop, make it stop. I guess you did it.
Can we do it?
Sure. Make it windy. Oh, hi. He was excited to see you.
Don't put your fingers in the cage.
That's all. I think he's gonna eat something. Our park has animals to visit. What other animals? See the snake? Good. This one has his face right there. What do you think? Hey, Snakey. Oh, strudel. Just kidding.
A fish.
Fish and turtles? Hi, fishy fishies. Hi, turtles. Oh, look, these ones aren't even in the water, Emma. Well, this dude's like enjoying bubbles on his butt, but this one's like, dude, get out of the way.
Look at that one. Look at that one.
What is it? Oh, look at that turtle. His name is Cheeto. Aww.
He moved.
Yeah, because he's alive. He breathing. Hi, Cheeto.
He moved at me.
Yeah, he said hello. What else do you see? Okay, so that's park day.
Mommy, just like wire.
Emma's not ready to go.
I'm not ready to go.
I know, baby. But thanks for joining us as always. Find your Disney references even in play at the park.
Ready?
Have a picnic if that's your style. I don't think it is ours, but we tried.
I still want to
I
play.
know, that means you had a good time, doesn't it? Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you still want to play, give it a thumbs up. And remember, Disney's always just a dream away. Thanks for joining us, guys.